Hey, hello everyone. Celine and Paul from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. It's a birthday girl. Uh, so we are here. In fact, it'll be just me making what I'm making. She's just here to interrupt me. So today I'm going to be making uh, a, a body deodorant. And yeah, I've just taken a bath. Do not come at me for wearing gloves. My place is sanitized. I'm making it for myself. I'm not selling it. If I have to sell something, I will follow all the guidelines. Do not come at me in the comments that I need to wear gloves, I need to do this. I know if I'm selling something, I will follow what I need to follow. Okay, so I know the practices, I know how to do it. My real suggestion and opinion to people are like, okay, people like me, we create things, we spend our own money, we don't earn anything out of making this. I am actually giving out the recipes just so that it can help someone because it helped me. I'm not going with a research on everyone's skin type. Okay, you all can either follow what I do, or you all can do your own research and do stuff. I am making things for me. It works for me. It helped my skin. It helped me. It helped my hair. So I am doing all these because it helped me, and I'm just doing it and giving out these recipes with the hope that maybe someone like me will benefit out of it. If y'all think it's not useful for y'all, I am not forcing y'all to see the videos, to follow the recipes, or like my videos. If you all think it's useful for y'all, if you all think yes, it works for y'all, please, you all can like. But please do not come at me with comments, trying to degrade me. And I really do not appreciate that. I'm sorry for the rant, but that's a fact. When I read things like that, it really is very depressing, because I'm trying to help out over here and you all are like coming at me for it. Now what I'm making, my recipes that I'm giving out of late, are all just for myself. What I make for myself, I'm not selling them. Okay, so that's why I'm not wearing gloves, and I'm not doing a lot of things that I would do when I make things to sell. Okay, so today it is a deodorant that I'm making, again, for myself. Maybe my family if they want it. If not, it's just for myself. Okay, so now I'll show you all what I do. It's a very simple, easy recipe, and I'll show you all what I do. Okay, so I measured out my ingredients. What I have in this is coconut oil, uh, beeswax, and cocoa butter. Now this is raw cocoa butter. It has the fragrance of cocoa, and I do like the fragrance of cocoa. So that's what is there in this. That's the oil phase of ingredients. These are the dry ingredients. I just have arrowroot powder and baking soda. Now I am using very little baking soda and more of arrowroot powder. If you all don't want to use baking soda, if you all have sensitive skin, you all can skip baking soda, just use arrowroot powder. Okay, and then I'm going to be using two essential oils. One is lavender and the other is lemongrass. Now I want to say, I mean, I've not tried the fragrances as lavender, lemongrass with the cocoa butter. I want to see how it will smell. The chocolate, lemongrass, lavender. I think it'll smell nice. So I'm going for that. Now what I'm going to do is going to melt this in a double boiler. I'll get it back once it is melted, and then I'll show you all what I do. Okay, so by the time uh, all the butters and the wax and all is melting, we'll mix the uh, essential oils with the dry ingredients. So I've added the essential oils and I'm just giving it a mix. Now for that much, excuse me, I'm planning on putting it in containers like this. I have 2 of this, and I'll put it in these little jars. So let's see what I can fill and how much I can fill. But as of now, that's my plan. So I'll get you all back when the butters and the waxes have melted. Okay, so the wax, the butter all melted. I'm going to now add this to this mixture.
Journey the device lovers, Archie. We really have landed ourselves in Himalayan this morning, and we were invited to stay last night at the house of Sarah. So this is the top of the class. So this is all of us. This is officially the highest place we've ever been in our lives. We're going to go that side. Okay. We're going to go to a place called Gomurati. That's where you guys shoot a fantastic drone shot. Okay. Nice, can't wait. All right. Thank you, bye. Oh, it's all inside. Nice. Train the snow. Whoa. There's a bit of a side here. Should I come right up so?
Mix it well so there are no lumps of the dry ingredients. And this will harden because there's beeswax and there is cocoa butter.
Okay. Yeah. It's going up there anyway. Okay. Okay. Now, we have to try to get out of the way of that guy. I don't know how. So we're going to try and turn it around. Okay. What do I do with that? Yeah. Now, if you have the back wheel, maybe we can get around.
It's already hardening up. It's almost like a cream.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, look at this guy go. Well, let's go back to the. Okay. Slowly go. Maybe it's hard. I'm not getting it. No, here you go. I'm not getting it. No, no, no. I'm not getting it. Okay, round two. Let's go. See you later. Thank you. This week. Just say it through.
I'll just use the spatula now to empty this.
So I have to say, welcome to the true Zanzibar experience. The first leg has been completed successfully. Lewis!
Everybody come on! It's been a mess already,
Okay, let's sit down on the other side of this box. 55 K's down, 100 to go.
And we leave it to set. Now that's what it's like. Just dries off. We leave this to set. Once it is set, I'll get you all back. Okay, so it's not yet cooled down, it's not completely set, but this is what it is. All gone, and it smells nice. I mean, I smell more of the lemongrass than I smell anything else. But yes, so that's the deodorant